We have all been trapped for centuries. We are trapped by slavery when we thought we escaped slavery. We are trapped by colonialism. When we thought we escaped colonialism, we became trapped by neo-colonialism. It is also somebody who doesn't understand his condition and who is trapped, who thinks that the person who trapped him or her will come and release him. You must fight your way out.
When they took us away, when they took us away, they carried us far beyond, far beyond.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished visionaries across the Atlantic, welcome to the Afri-Caribbean Trade and Investment Forum 2025. You must know that this is not just a conference. This is ACTIF 2025 held in pure Grenada, the spice of the Caribbean.
This forum, therefore, is a bold step towards building a transatlantic economic pathway, one that connects African innovation with Caribbean creativity, African capital with Caribbean opportunity, and African resilience with Caribbean determination. It is through the fusion of our talents, ideas, and resources that we will shape a vibrant and prosperous future.
Africa and the Caribbean are natural partners. We are family, bound by history, culture, struggle, and spirit. From Accra to Kingston, Dakar to Port of Spain, our people share rhythms, share their arts, and a resilient heritage forged in resistance and creativity. Let us build Afro-Caribbean cultural industries that generate jobs, pride, and shared prosperity.
CARICOM therefore welcomes and values the demonstrated commitment of Afreximbank to partner in this critical endeavor.
In this regard, I want to congratulate Afreximbank for the $3 billion credit line that the bank has extended to the Caribbean region, which positions our two regions to achieve our ambitions and to advance on our relationship.
Your Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this year's forum is significant to me personally, as it marks the last time I will be addressing you on this platform as President of Afreximbank. Besides, we've established a fully functional regional office in Barbados, staffed by committed professionals drawn from Africa and this region, and implementing a growing pipeline of deals. But we did not stop there. We are building the Afreximbank Africa Trade Center in Bridgetown, an almost $200 million architectural symbol of the bank's deep and unshakable commitment to the Caribbean. Here in Grenada, we are co-financing a world-class tertiary hospital estimated at the cost of about $250 million, which we hope will convert the country into a regional hub for medical tourism. So in less than 3 years from now, Afreximbank flag will be hoisted high above the skies of Barbados and the Caribbean. As I close, allow me to remind us that the Atlantic Ocean once carried our ancestors in chains. As we look ahead, we must now transform it from a grave of memory into a gateway of prosperity.
Fast forward, and times have more than changed. But as we embrace this new faith, one thing rings true. Our growth cannot be separated from you. Mama Africa is reaching out, beckoning her children home.
To Professor Orama, thank you for giving legs and firepower to the soul. Thank you for providing the firepower and the actions that have made global Africa a reality, on the actions that have destroyed the psychological barriers that kept us so far and for so long apart.
They took us out of Africa.
And I speak on behalf of all of the leaders of CARICOM, that our political will to support global Africa is unwavering, that we recognize that we are in a seminal moment, but that we are not starting from scratch. We are starting from strength. The history we share together is not a weight, it is a wind
behind our scenes.
Welcome to Grenada. Welcome to ACTIF 2025. Let the work begin. Long live Africa-Caribbean unity.